Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And right now I will be doing a trailer reaction. Now I was not aware of this film, so I saw in the comments that please check out the trailer for this movie is called Aha. It's releasing on 19th November, so it's like right around the corner, this weekend basically. And the trailer came out on 8th, so that's why I was not aware, so thank you for letting me know, guys. So this stars Indrajit Sukumaran in the lead, and let's see what this trailer is about. Let's get right into it. Aha. Now I don't know, I'm hopeful that at least it should get a couple of screens here in Mumbai, but let's see. If it releases, then I'll probably end up watching it. Let's see the trailer first. Okay. Subtitles. Here we go. Oh, it's about a sport or something.
ഒറ്റക്ക് ജീവിക്കുമ്പോൾ മടുപ്പല്ലേ സാറേ?
ആര് പറഞ്ഞു ഞാൻ ഒറ്റയ്ക്കാന്ന്? എൻ്റെ കൂടെ അവളുണ്ട് എപ്പോഴും, എൻ്റെ മേരി.
എനിക്കിറങ്ങണം.
സാധനം കിട്ടത്തില്ല
വടംവലിക്ക് ടീം ഇറങ്ങണം. നമ്മുടെ ജിമ്മിന്റെ പേരിട്ടോ, അർണോൾഡ് ബോയ്സ് നീലു.
ഒരു കാലത്ത് നീലൂർ എന്ന ഗ്രാമം കേരളത്തിൽ മൊത്തം അറിയപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നത് ആഹായുടെ പേരിൽ. അങ്ങനെയുള്ളവരുടെ നാട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു ടീം ഉണ്ടാക്കുമ്പം കളിയായിട്ട് കാണരുത്.
വലിച്ചു പിടിച്ചേ.
സന്തോഷേ, എന്നാണ് ഒരു ഉദ്ദേശം?
ചേട്ടാ, ഞങ്ങളിവിടെ ഒരു വടംവലി ടീം തുടങ്ങിയായിരുന്നേ. ചേട്ടൻ ഞങ്ങളുടെ കോച്ചായിട്ടൊന്ന് വരണം.
വടംവലിയൊക്കെ നിർത്തിയിട്ട് കാലം കുറേയായി. അതുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ഒന്നും ഇനി വേണ്ടെന്ന തീരുമാനം. എനിക്ക് ചില നിബന്ധനകളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. അതിനൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സമ്മതമാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാനിതിൽ ഇറങ്ങിത്തിരിക്കാം.
ശരിയേട്ടായി.
ചേട്ടനല്ല, ആശ.
നിങ്ങളുടെ ചുമല ജേഴ്സി ഇട്ടുകൊണ്ട് കോർട്ടിലോട്ടുള്ളൊരു എൻട്രി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഓ, എനിക്കതൊന്നും കാണാം.
Within, the tug of war within. Oh, this looks great, huh? This actually looks amazing. My God. Okay, my thoughts first. You see how just what a simple storyline. This is so much on the grounded human level. It's about this man who used to be a really revered player when it came to tug of war, and now something happens, so we see his journey. I think the movie is gonna go back and forth because Indrajit Sukumaran, you see in the young avatar also now is become old, and you know his wife, I'm guessing, is no more, so he's living alone and stuff like that. And then this new gen comes in. They want to form a team. They want him as the coach, and eventually, of course, he ends up coaching this team, Aha. And oh my God. And it's basically about his journey, his personal journey. It's going to be that. This is a personal journey movie with the added element of sports and thrill into it. Oh, I love these kind of movies. I love these kind of movies where you deal with a lot of things. Like, you show that a person is actually, how a person deals with loss, deals with, I don't know, maybe depression over here in his case, deals with loneliness, because it's like the person is attaining a peak. You have everything, you are great at your sports, you have a team, you have a great love life, personal life, and all of that, and then you fall down and then you rise again. This is like the hero's journey, the protagonist's journey. Oh, I honestly, personally, I love such stories of execution. This is a very, very known storytelling format. But if done well, I'm all for it, because it needs to play right with the emotions. It needs to do right with the emotions, because you need to feel. Here, the main thing is that you need to feel for Indrajit Sukumaran's character. That's the main thing. If I cannot connect while watching the film to Indrajit's character, then the movie is going to fail. If the director is making me just empathize with this character from start to finish, then I think this movie is going to do great. It's a very simple, rooted story. It just looks like that, and nothing too extravagant. It has to. So, in terms of visuals and all, of course, I want to see how the sports thing, like how the tug of war happens, how they show that, because that's very thrilling. It's a very thrilling game. And but the main thing is that how we feel for Indrajit's character by the end of the film. So that is going to be the deciding factor if the movie is great or not. I hope it releases here. I hope it releases, like, get at least some screens here so I can watch it, because personally I love such movies. Because in a way it's inspiring also, and you see the caption, it's like the war within, because inside also we have this tug of war when it comes to our own emotions, right? Because we also at times are at a loss that what to do and what not to do. Sometimes the situations are like that in our lives that we don't know how to basically move forward with it, because we're so confused, and there's a tug of war inside our minds also, that should we do this or should we do this? Wow. Yeah, I went a little too deep. But that's how I feel that this movie should, highlight the human emotions like that. Let's see if it gets a release here. If it does, then I'm watching it. If it does, then I'm surely watching it, because I want to. So that was the reaction to the trailer of Aha. Thank you so much for recommending this trailer to me and asking me to watch it. So yes, I depend a lot on you guys also to sort of keep me a little updated on stuff, because yes, I do watch a lot of things on YouTube and, content wise and stuff like that. But like I said, I missed out on this. I did not know, and you guys only let me know. So thank you so much. I love this trailer. It definitely put a smile on my face. I definitely want to know, are you looking forward to the release of this film? Because it's releasing this weekend only. So who's gonna watch it? Who's gonna give it a miss? Let me know. And yes, that was the reaction to the trailer of Aha. I will be ending the video here now, and I will sign off, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye!